Hello, Internet. My name is Ryan, and I just wanted to talk about this project I'm working on, this game. Hoping to get some just preliminary feedback, really. So the basic idea of this is a monster collector and combined with dungeon crawler or Diablo style mechanics. So you'll have much more randomly generated monsters with more customizable abilities, things like that, and also quicker combat. So I'll just show you kind of what I have so far. You have a dude, um, and so this you start out with one monster, and obviously all the art is like just programmer stuff. So you start out with like one monster. They have stats, levels, that sort of stuff. But you also have abilities. You can customize what abilities they have. Every monster has like one innate ability that you can't change. And so this one, damage to random opponents for 30% of my dexterity. And then this one, damage target for 10% of dexterity. But this is a ability that you can attach to any monster. So let's go into a battle, and so we can see here that this guy is blue, so he's like a little bit more rare. So he has a higher chance of having these ability slots and also having these affixes. So let's go into a battle here, and we can we'll just fight this guy, do some abilities. The other goal of this is I want the battles to be much quicker. I mean, if you play Pokemon, you got the intro animation and all the animation, the attack animations take forever. It just feels like battles last a long time. Oh, I died. Okay. Well, I wasn't even paying attention. So I want the battles to be way quicker. Okay, so we got that guy. So now you can see we got some level, we got some experience points. So let's go up here. We can actually catch one, and this is like another Pokeball, I guess you'd say. So they allow you to catch more monsters. So let's catch this guy here, and we can see. So okay, we caught him. Then we can look. We can see him in our inventory here. And we can see kind of, even though they're the same monster, this guy has more affixes. So he has plus 5% speed. So his speed is quicker than this guy because this guy's a little bit more of a rare one. A rare, generation. And so this is another ability right here that we can pick up. So we can just walk over to it and get another ability. So this ability is self-destruct, damage self for 112% of strength, and all opponents for 132%, and all opponents for 132% of strength. So this, does a bunch of damage to myself and a bunch of damage to the whole enemy team. And we can also see that this monster has one ability slot, so we can just, drag this here, and now he has another ability. You can put this here. So we'll get into another battle here. So we can attack. Another kind of change is that all abilities take, either give you or cost you energy. So the innate abilities always give you energy. So you can see here, it's one energy pool shared among your whole team. So this just kind of is a more of a limitation, because another problem I find with these turn-based team games is it's like, why not just use the best ability every single time? And that just gets boring. So this energy kind of forces you to pick which ability you want to use. You can't just spam one ability the whole time. So we can see this guy, we have enough energy, 20 energy for this. And so it didn't actually do that much. And obviously stuff isn't totally balanced. So we can attack here. We can just walk. There's another ability over here. Let's take a look at what it is. Rest, heal all allies for 22% of their max HP. So this one costs 50 energy. which is a lot, but it heals all allies for almost a quarter of their HP, which is quite a bit. We can might as well catch this guy. I think there's like a little station up here. Yeah, and also these maps are randomly generated. So this like station to heal your team is different in every map, and there's a little like doorway here, and this takes you to another map. And this one has monsters, opponents with multiple monsters on the team. So these guys will probably beat us. So let's see here. Just because my team isn't strong enough yet. And yeah, you can see that we're doing almost no damage. Let's try that. Also, the abilities themselves have speed values, and the monster has speed values. So that determines the turn order. It's not just like a constant thing. So certain monsters will move, more or take more turns than other monsters. And we can see the ordering here. The red numbers here are the opponents, and the green ones are us. And they're just ordered. The top number is their combat readiness, and the bottom one is their speed. And then basically the speed is added to combat readiness every turn, and the monster with the highest combat readiness goes first. So you can see here, this guy has 260 combat readiness, so he is acting right now. And then the ghost has 221, so he'll probably act next. And you can see, yeah, so the ghost, and then the other crab dude. So maybe I actually will win this battle. Let's see here. Da-da-da. No, probably lose. And so yeah, that's kind of the general idea, is to improve on, the standard turn-based. Oh, and I guess the other big change is that it's 5v5 instead of, one monster against one monster. Just because that gets pretty boring. Yeah, it's harder for them to interact with each other and synergize. So yeah, you died. Didn't survive that. Let's pick up this ability. So this one is Sacrifice, remove 50% of HP to heal all allies. This one's kind of nice too. Damage, target for 47% of intelligence, and heal the lowest health hero. So I know that there are ally. So I know that there are monsters that have higher intelligence. So if we look here, this uses the int value, and the intelligence of my team is, this guy is 20, this guy is 20, and this guy is 10, so that kind of sucks. Oh, shoot, okay. Oops. So yeah, definitely some bugs there. Okay, and then a crash. So let me open it up again. The other thing, okay, is just kind of like Diablo, these abilities have quality. So not all abilities are exactly the same. Just like not all monsters are exactly the same. So we can see here, this is a quality of 1, which is really low. So if we find some other abilities, quality is between 1 and 100. I don't see any more. Oh, actually, this is good. Okay, so this is the same ability. So you can see here, yeah, this is great. So this is both the same ability, but this one is a quality of 1. So it only grants allies 10% strength, but this is a quality of 47, which is much better. So it grants all allies 19% strength up. So this one we can just get rid of, because this one's way better. So yeah. So that's that's what I have. Really, it's just very basic, and just kind of. If you have any thoughts, let me know.